the working parts on other machines. First, the ramming function. Ramming function uses a hydraulic hammer to ram the post down into the ground. We use the quality hydraulic hammer in China. And you see here is the drive cap, and this is ball pole. This is the working part. For the drive cap, you can see it's round because in China, a lot of piles, the national standard pile is round and square, so we use round cap. But if you have a special other shape post, we can customize for you, like a C-channel, HIC, and so on. Use the hydraulic hammer, the maximum height of the post can up to 5 meters. But for the standard configuration, the machine is 3.5 meters. And this is the drilling tooth to drill holes with the drilling holes. The motor. This is the PPH hammer. Still big still. And the screw pile, you use we have the screw head, screw motor to screw the screw pile into the ground. And auger, you can use auger to drill holes and pull concrete inside. Put the post inside and pull concrete. And if the post is rammed in the wrong place, or the post is broken, you can pull it out of the hole with the extractor. Let's see the machine. You can see the working part. It's the chain drive. The chain to lift the hammer up and down. And we use the motor here. The motor, this device is more easy to install and durable. Even broke, it can easily repair. And the motor you see here is use the bracket. There are two gels inside, maybe this part and this part. This device can reduce the impact to the motor, and the motor can work, rotate and lift independently. Make this part more durable, prolong the machine's lifetime. And the vertical guide wheel. This is the C-channel. This part C-channel. This C-channel, and this is also C-channel. C-channel inside is a tube. We use all the whole part of a C-channel and a tube, so the make the machine with more strength and more durable. And here we have this structure. You can see this part, and this part. We use inlaid nylon here to help to adjust when the machine working, adjust the gap. It's a gap adjustable. And for the horizontal guide rail, we also use the whole part tube. And for the joint, we use the alloying ring. This part use the import wheel resistant steel. You can see the operational panel. It's a multi-way way. It's a quality multi-way way. You can see we use the double gel pump. This makes the high flow for the machine. Makes the machine working more smooth and more powerful. You see the engine here. We use HXR5 brand. It's China quality brand engine. It's 75 kilowatts and turbocharging. Here is the radiator. It's pure aluminum radiator. Water and oil integration with good heat dissipation. It is very small, so the machine look very good with good appearance. This is a hydraulic tank. And this is the diesel tank. The oil intake and the return filter is added into the hydraulic oil to reduce the oil impurity. All filters and the crawler type suitable for the complicated solar project working condition.